So let's test the Sunnywood 1000 time digital microscope. This runs on USB 2.0, 3.0, Linux, Macs, even in the phone. But for today, experiment will be done in a Windows 10. And if you're looking to see tiny things, oh, let's check it. Let's see what we can see with this 1000 time digital microscope. And we'll begin now. How we doing, everyone? This is Dario from MediaBoxEnt Blockchain, and what we got today, we got a digital and a super digital microscope up to 1000 times. And what we get in the box, we see that we get the microscope, we get the stand, we get this installation, and we get this little chart with numbers, to compare how far you can see. In the box, show you this runs between 40 to 1000 times. It can be installed in Windows 10, Linux, Macs, even an Android phone. And for the purpose of this video, we're going to be testing this on Windows 10. We install the Windows 10. We can see here, we can change. So that way, we can change from 1000 times to 40 times. We can take a snapshot and we can zoom out. Right in the side, we can change the lighting. See? We can change the lighting. It comes with the cap. I will say after you finish, cover it up. You don't want the lens to get dirty. So we take the cap. It has, I think, 8 LEDs. Yes, 8 LEDs. 5-time digital zoom plus 1000 times zoom. You can put it there and you can view something this way. But what I see it for me is much easier to hold in the hand. I think that's the idea. So you can inspect it. What is good for you? You want to inspect a solder joint and electronic parts. Fiber, some leaves, painting. I guess good for the kid to do some study or look, or box, or look at anything you want to look at small. Look at skin. You find something funny in your skin, you can look at that too. Try my skin and say, oh wow, it looks pretty cool that way. You can record. The software will allow you to record, take snapshots, make a video, or see a real time. We're going to do two things. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you to this screen so we can see this real time working. In the next section, we're going to try the software. We're just going to run the software by itself so you can see what happened when we run the software and you can see the recording too. But right now, we're going to do this real time. All right, so it's installed in my Windows. It's right now running on 3.0 USB, but this is comparable 2.0 and 3.0. Should run in a laptop, and it doesn't take much power to run this. So we're going to be changing the screens. I remove it because I think this is cool to do that this way. And we're going to inspect some electronics. I got some things to see. So we're going to remove this into the side. Well, we're going to see that too. Let's remove all this to the side. And let's bring a video card and we'll see. So we got a nice video card here in a 1050. NVIDIA card. I'm going to look some of the solder joints. You see how small it is. Let's put up in the screen, and you can see there are tiny things. You can even figure out what is there. All right, so let's make the change. All right, so I got real small, tiny, and now what we need to see is some of the electronics things. So let's go over and let's see now. Let's focus. So the way to focus, we're going to move this into the side. Check that out. Let me see if we can catch. Unbelievable, right? Let me see. Let's check over there. So you can see all the solder joints. I will show you the next screen, full screen, because right now only we catch a part of the video because we split the screen, so you can see real time what's going on. Let me see something else here. So one of those things. So it will be good. Like I said before, look, you can see solder joints. Now we can see this chart. I can even see those dots by the naked eye. And here give us some measurements. Let me see if we can get this right. Oh, you can see 600. We can see top all the way. What is that? 300, 200, and 100. What is the dot there? Somewhere there. I think it's that one. Yeah, gotta be that one. It looks big. If we look in fiber, so this is a piece of fiber. So you want to inspect the fiber. Oh, let's say a coin, collecting coin, see? Yeah, take one. So you can see it. Look, I get some hair there in the fiber. And let's look at a piece of so it's good for inspecting anything. Look. Wow. I take the quarter thing or whatever you got there. Okay. So inspect the coin. Well, no, it's okay. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna change it, and if you want to see my skin, but what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna show you the software, and we're gonna record the next section. Now, remember that all this information, and to get this product right now, so you can inspect it. I guess this is good for a good gift, right, for the kids. Now soon Christmas coming, so they can do a lot of little experiments, and all the information is always below this video. So let me show you the next section now. Okay, we install the software. The only thing you have to do when you install it for the first time, make sure you check the right device, because I'm sure it will detect if you have any camera hooked up in your PC. In my case, I have plenty cameras. As you see, it detects plenty. I know after you install the driver, that's the one we need to run. So we click there, and let's look now. So we can see real nice, and we can even do digital. I'm going to zoom by pressing the button on the side. See, we can go even 5 times. Besides the one, I move the wheel, so we can see the solder joint. You can capture different resolution. We can go high resolution. We can take a picture. And now right over here, we have a picture. So if you got a bug or whatever, you take the picture on. To record, we're going to go and stop capture. And now it will capture what I'm recording right now. So we got the video now, so we're going to play it right now. Good. So now you can view anything. If you record any bugs or anything, you can make a nice video, bring it to school. Nice little device.